Hello travel fans and trip planners. Welcome to Australia. Join us as we go on a 3-night weekend cruise from Sydney to open waters and back. In this video, we will review the boarding process, room, departure party, the pools, gym, zipline, the food, and the nightlife. Let's get lost on Australian waters! The boarding process for our cruise on the Pacific Adventure ship was very smooth. Please note that P&O is now under carnival. Before arriving at the overseas passenger terminal, complete your online check-in through the website or app. This involves uploading your ID documents, reserving your dinner times for restaurants, and booking any activities you want to do. The cruise will assign you a boarding time. Try to arrive a little bit early so you can check out your room and explore the ship before the departure party. We only took carry-on luggage with us as it was a 3-night cruise leaving on Friday. This reduced the check-in time as we did not have to go to the baggage drop-off area. Overall, the check-in process was very smooth and hassle-free. A balcony room on the cruise offers a comfortable way to enjoy your voyage. The highlight of the room is the private balcony, where you can enjoy breathtaking ocean views, fresh air, and the sound of waves. The room itself is well designed with comfortable beds, ample space, and modern amenities such as 2 flat-screen TVs, mini fridge, and air conditioning. While in your room, you can stay informed about onboard activities and events through the TV or the cruise app. They also give you a daily planner sheet to see what is happening every hour of the day. The balcony is equipped with outdoor furniture, allowing you to relax and take in the scenery. We also pre-ordered the prawn and wine platter, which was a nice touch to the start of the cruise. This can be done on the app. By opting for a balcony room on your cruise, you can enjoy a more luxurious cruising experience. The departure party from Sydney is an exciting event that marks the beginning of your journey. The party atmosphere starts early with live music and entertainment on the pool deck. DJs and bands play upbeat tunes to get everybody in the mood. Bars are open, offering a variety of cocktails, beers, and soft drinks. You can also enjoy snacks and appetizers to complement the festivities. The atmosphere erupts with cheers as the ship begins to move away from the dock. The pool area hosts lively parties with music, dancing, and fun activities. This is a great opportunity to meet fellow passengers and make new friends. The cruise staff and entertainment team introduced themselves, highlighting exciting events and activities planned for the voyage. Find a spot on the deck to enjoy the stunning views of Sydney Harbour as the ship sails away. The Opera House and the Harbour Bridge makes for a picture-perfect backdrop. On the Pacific Adventure ship, the swimming pools are the central part of onboard experience, offering a refreshing way to relax and enjoy the sun. Located on the upper decks, the main pool is a popular spot for sunbathing and swimming. It's often surrounded by lounge chairs and umbrellas. The ship has 2 huge water slides, adding an extra layer of fun for both kids and adults. The ship also includes an indoor pool and hot tubs, just in case the weather turns. The swimming pools on board are designed to provide a fun and relaxing experience for all passengers. The gym is a well-equipped fitness center designed to help you stay active and healthy during your cruise. This is also the best spot to refill your water bottle for the day. The gym features a variety of cardio equipment, including treadmills, stationary bikes, and elliptical machines. It has free weights and strength training machines available for those looking to maintain or build muscle. The gym offers a variety of group fitness classes such as yoga, Pilates, spin, and aerobics. These classes are usually free and led by experienced instructors. Check the daily planner to see when they are available. Just outside the gym is a nice walking track where you can enjoy ocean views outside while getting your cardio. If you're lucky, you will see dolphins passing by.
They're getting closer, they are, aren't they? One's coming closer.
Wow.
The Pacific Adventure Ship offers activities like rock climbing and a zip line. The zip line provides an exciting way to explore the outdoors, offering breathtaking views. You can book these excursions through the cruise line's website or on board at the shore excursion desk. I was a bit nervous climbing the stairs, which felt really high, but it was an amazing experience. This was definitely a highlight of the cruise.
Hi, good, how are you?
Yeah, I'm good. We grab this for me. Follow me around here. That's it. Take a step towards me. Me take a couple of steps forwards. Just a little lower. Don't hold on to the plastic. There you go. Toes over the edge for me. That's it. Then you're going to squat down slightly in your harness. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Off we go. Anything like that?
The food on the cruise offers a diverse range of dining options to cater to various tastes. Some of the restaurants are included in the price and some are extra charge. We were pretty happy with the food that was included. We didn't go to any extra cost restaurants. The Pantry. This buffet-style venue offers a variety of international dishes, including Indian, Chinese, Italian, and Western options. It's a great place for a quick and easy meal. The buffet might look small, but we realized later it has 2 separate sides that are identical. The breakfast buffet was the perfect way to start the day. The pastries in the morning were incredible. The lunch buffet was also really good. We loved the Asian and Indian food. Try to go as soon as the buffet opens, as it can get really busy during peak times. Dragon Lady. This Asian-inspired restaurant offers a range of dishes from across the continent, including Chinese, Japanese, and Korean cuisines. Reservations need to be made in advance. We loved the soup and dumplings here. The cream puffs for dessert were also delicious. Angelo's offers a sophisticated dining experience with a focus on Italian cuisine. From pasta to risotto, seafood and meat dishes, there's something for everyone here. Angelo's provides an elegant and intimate dining atmosphere, perfect for special occasions or a romantic evening. The restaurant is tastefully decorated with Italian-inspired decor, creating a warm and inviting ambience. They also do a nice wine tasting experience here during the day for an extra cost. The Waterfront Restaurant. This is one of the main dining venues, offering a menu with many options. The menu changes daily and includes options for breakfast, lunch and dinner. The shakshuka was very nice for breakfast here. For lunch, we really liked the fish and chips. The butter chicken was also really good. This is a nice spot for lunch if you want a change from the buffet. Overall, food on the ship was really good and there are many options to indulge on your vacation. Our favorite spot was the buffet. We liked the variety of endless options available. The nightlife on the cruise is exciting, offering a range of activities and venues to suit every age group. Evenings featured theme nights such as Gatsby Night and the White Party Night, which encouraged passengers to dress up and join in the fun. The main theatre hosts spectacular shows, including musicals, comedy acts, and dance performances. The casino offers a range of games, including slots, blackjack, roulette, and poker. You might also find tournaments for those who enjoy a bit of competition. The casino typically stays open late into the night, allowing you to try your luck under the stars. On warmer evenings, the pool deck transforms into a lively dance party with DJs spinning popular tracks and themed events like the White Party, which was fun. The ship also has a nightclub where you can dance the night away with fellow passengers. It's high at the back of the ship with a very cool entrance. This was a fun way to end off each night. As we pulled back into Sydney Harbour on Monday morning, we really didn't want to get off the cruise as we loved it so much. The weekend cruise from Sydney offers a fun and relaxing experience, blending entertainment, relaxation, and exploration. We loved the food, zipline, shows, pools, and the overall vibe. It was the perfect weekend getaway. Thanks for watching. If you really enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Until next time, let's go and get lost!